Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. So if you saw my last video, I made what I got for Christmas video. You saw that I got AirPods, which I'm so excited for getting. If you guys want to go watch that video, then I'll link it down in the description, or you could go check out my channel, and it's just the last video that I posted. And I just want to say another thank you to my mom. Thank you so much for getting these. So today I wanted to do an unboxing video because I need views. So yeah, I've never had AirPods before, so I'm super excited to open these. I've never tried AirPods before, so I'm just like really nervous. So my mom got me the ones that like have the little rubber thing on them, which I'm pretty sure they're just called the Pro ones. The box just looks like a regular iPhone box. Like it has them in the front, and then it has like the little Apple sign on the side. And then this is the back. So yeah, let's open it up. At the top they just have this little like package thingy that they usually have. I've never seen one for AirPods though, so let's see how this works. Oh, okay, so they have like instructions, I think. Press the sides to play a song or to pause it. You double press it to skip. So that's kind of how it is on like regular earphones, except you press the microphone thingy, like you press the middle once to pause it and then twice to skip a song. It says that it's on the side though, so it shows like a little green thing there. So triple press to skip back. Oh, okay. Oh, they have Siri on them. That's pretty cool. It says press and hold, switch between active noise cancellation. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking. He's really obnoxious. Okay, cool. They don't come with the Apple stickers, which is usually what you get when you get an Apple product. You usually get those like little Apple sticker thingies. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what they look like in the box. I'm gonna take them out really quick. Okay, so here's the charging thing, I think. This looks like a charger, but the cable thingy is like a different one because usually it's like that big thick one. Okay. Oh, okay, these are the I'm pretty sure it's the squishy thingies that they have on them. I'm like so unexperienced in this. I have no clue what I'm doing. So this is them. Oh, they're so cute. So this is where you charge the thing, I'm pretty sure. Let me take the charger out of this. Hold on. Okay, so I took the charger out of the thing, but I don't know. So this goes in there like that, but how do you charge it? I'm so confused. What? Why does it look like that? It's like this. Huh? I'm like so stupid. I have to like look this up. I'm gonna look this up really quick to see. I just watched a video and I still don't understand this charger, but I can still charge it with my iPhone charger, so that's all I'm worried about. Okay, so let's get into the actual thing itself, because I've never owned a pair of AirPods, so I've never like opened one before and been like, oh, like it's mine. So I'm super excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. They're so small, and then this is what the box looks like. So I'm just gonna put them back in here for a second to try and figure out what is going on. Let me read this thing so I know how to do it. Okay, so I have to turn on my Bluetooth, and then I just open them, I think. It doesn't say anything about the charger. Like, am I dumb? Like, is this common knowledge? Like, what am I supposed to do with this? What is this? Like, this isn't the part. Okay, this is the part that you put in the thing. Like, that's the regular charging thingy. But like this one, what am I supposed to plug that into? Like, it doesn't give you like a cube. I'm just gonna use my regular charger. I'm gonna try to connect it to my phone. Here's my phone. Okay, so my Bluetooth is on, and I'm just gonna open this and see what it does. Okay, so I'm gonna open it right now. And I guess I just put it close to it. No way. Oh my god. Are you guys seeing this? What the heck? Oh my god. Okay, what? I'm like way too excited for this. Okay. Okay. Connect. No way. No way. Okay. It's giving me like a little instruction thingy right now. Okay, so I'm not gonna set up Hey Siri because I don't feel like it. Oh, they're 79%. Okay. Oh my god, are they connected now? Is this like actually happening? I'm so scared. What? Okay, let's put one in. And I'm so scared to get these dirty. Oh, they made like a weird noise. Look at what it looks like in my ear. Oh my god. I don't know if I should put both in, but I'm so excited. I'm just not used to this feeling in my ear because I'm used to like the regular Apple headphones, earphones things. Okay, so let's go to Spotify. Let's go to my top 2019. Okay, let's play like a badass song. Okay. Oh my god. You guys can't hear it and I'm not gonna let you hear it because copyright. Wait, I'm gonna put both in and be chillin'. The reason I wanted this is because I normally am like really awkward when filming videos because when there's like no sound in my house and I'm like talking to myself, I get like really self-conscious. So one of the reasons I wanted this is because I could like wear one while filming and just like have music playing behind so I don't feel as awkward. Also because I just really want them in general, like they're so cool. I'm like so excited, oh my god. Okay. Ah! Let's try the controls. Okay, whenever I put it in my ear, it makes a sound. Okay, so I'm holding this one in my hand right now. I don't know if it's gonna work if it's not in my ear, but hopefully it does. Okay, so just ignore everything I say for like the next minute. I like literally read in the pamphlet thing to press. I don't know where the idea occurred to me to tap. I don't know why I thought it would work if it wasn't in my ear. But yeah. It says press to play or pause on the sides. Should I just tap it? I'm so confused. Do I tap it or like... Okay, so I do tap it, but it's like slow. So you do tap it, but there's a little bit of a delay. So if you tap it like that, it turns on. Oh, why is it not working when I want to? Okay, it just paused right now. Hold on. Okay, then it just unpaused. Okay. Now let's try... Why is it pausing for no reason? Is it because I pressed it too many times? I don't know if you guys have ever had this problem, but like a phone with like a 7 and up, I think. The ones that have like there's no headphone thingy. And you have like the adapter thing with like regular earphones. I've noticed that when the adapter kind of gets like a little old, it like completely messes up your phone and it like pauses and unpauses videos, which is like so obnoxious, and that's what it was doing just now. It's not doing it anymore, but I think it was just because I was like overly tapping it way too much. So it says press, not tap. So there's this little indent right here, and I think that's what you're supposed to press. Oh, wait a second. Okay, I think I'm just really dumb. I think you have to have it in your ear because it made like a little tapping sound when I pressed it. So I think that's what that means. So I think I have to press it when it's in my ear. I'm the dumbest person literally ever. I'm so sorry. Now I know how to do that. So now it says double press to skip forward, which works. And then triple press to skip back, which also works. Yay! Hello.
I was gonna say that I heated up that chili. It's really good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look, I have my AirPods in.
They work?
Yeah, they're nice.
Awesome.
Isn't that cool? I'm trying to figure them out.
No. I heard you talking to somebody. I thought you were talking to me.
No, I'm filming a video. Oh. Oh, wait, no. I just paused it. Is that supposed to happen? It pauses when you take the thing off? I think I remember that. I haven't been to school in a while, so I haven't used people's AirPods in a while. But I'm pretty sure if you take it out, it pauses, and if you put it back in your ear, it continues. I'm gonna try to change the ear thingies because it has like specific instructions for that, so we're gonna try that. So it says to remove tip, pull firmly. To attach tip, push until it clicks. So remove firmly. I don't want to break this. By the way, it came with like 4 other rubber things. This is what they look like. There's 2 smaller ones, 2 bigger ones. I think they are. Oh yeah, these are the 2 smaller ones, these are the 2 bigger ones. But that's what they come with. But yeah, I think we're done. I think this video's over. So if you guys enjoyed, go check out my other videos in my channel. And if you like what you see, then go subscribe. If you like this video, then press the like button, leave a comment, do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!